In a non-stick pan, add 1.5 cup of granulated sugar. Add in 2/3 cups of water. Stir it gently and bring to a boil. The sugar syrup should turn clear. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Check with your fingers for a one-string consistency. Once ready, add in powder of 2 to 3 cardamoms. Now add in 200 grams of paneer, which is cut into equal size cubes. Give it a good stir and keep stirring it. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in 1 teaspoon of rose water. Keep stirring and cook on low flame for around 1 to 2 more minutes till the sugar syrup becomes thick like this. Turn off the heat. Keep stirring the Chenna Murki. We do this to get an even sugar coating all over the Chenna Murki. Soon the sugar will begin to solidify. Be gentle not to break the paneer pieces and keep stirring. Soon the sugar will become white in color and the Chenna Murki will no longer stick to each other. This means that the Chenna Murki is ready. Allow it to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Your Chenna Murki is ready.